Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into scientifically backed methods to help your kids fall in love with math. Math often gets a bad rap, but we're here to bust those myths. Math is cool, relevant, and for everyone. We're going to a place where numbers dance, equations sing, and even the trickiest problems reveal fascinating secrets. Best of all, we'll arm you with practical tools to make math an exciting adventure for your young learners. Get ready to say goodbye to math anxiety and hello to a world of possibilities. Let's get started. One of the best ways to make math fun is to sneak it in when they least expect it. Kids learn best when they're engaged and having a good time. Board games, card games, even video games can be fantastic tools for teaching mathematical concepts without feeling like a chore. Take a classic like Chutes and Ladders, great for number recognition and counting, or a game of Set, which helps develop pattern recognition and logical deduction. Hands-on activities like building with blocks help kids grasp spatial reasoning and geometry. Baking is a delicious way to explore fractions and ratios. Even a trip to the grocery store can become a math adventure with a bit of planning. Choose activities your kids will genuinely enjoy and you'll be surprised how quickly they start seeing the magic of math in everyday life. Now, let's talk about attitude. Our attitudes can make or break an experience. If we approach something with dread, it's not going to be a picnic. Math is no different. If you, as parents and educators, approach math with a positive attitude, your kids will pick up on that. Think back to your own experiences with math. Did you have a teacher who made it fun, a parent who encouraged you? Those positive experiences can shape a lifetime of learning. If you had negative experiences, it's time to rewrite that narrative. It's never too late to change your perspective on math. Embrace your inner mathematician. Get excited about solving problems and exploring new concepts. Celebrate your child's successes, no matter how small they may seem. Help them see mistakes not as failures, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Chapter 3. Real-world applications. Math is everywhere. One of the most common questions kids ask about math is, when will I ever use this in real life? And it's a fair question, but the truth is, math is all around us. By helping kids see those real-world connections, we can make math feel more relevant. Math is in the architecture of our buildings, the rhythm of music, the patterns in nature. It's how we track our finances, measure ingredients for baking, and even predict the weather. When kids understand how math is used in everyday life, it becomes a lot more interesting. Next time you're out, point out the math at work. Geometry of a bridge, fractions in a recipe, or statistics in a sports game. These hands-on experiences help kids see that math isn't just in textbooks, it's a powerful tool for understanding the world. Chapter 4. Technology and apps, the digital playground of learning. In today's digital age, we have an incredible array of tools to make learning fun and engaging. When it comes to math, there's a universe of apps and online resources that can turn learning into an adventure. From interactive games to personalized learning platforms, technology can help kids learn at their own pace. Some apps use colorful visuals to bring math concepts to life, while others offer adaptive learning paths. Think of technology as a sidekick in your child's math journey, a fun companion that helps them explore and develop a love for learning. Chapter 5. Encouragement and praise, building math confidence. Just like a plant needs sunshine and water to grow, kids need encouragement and support to thrive in their learning. When it comes to math, building confidence is key. When kids believe in their abilities, they're more likely to take risks and embrace challenges. Create a safe and supportive environment for learning. Let your kids know that it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Instead of focusing on the right answer, celebrate their effort and perseverance. Praise their problem-solving skills, creativity, and persistence. Remember, learning math is a journey, not a race. By providing a nurturing environment, we can help children develop a love for math. Outro, keep the math journey going. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. Making math fun and engaging is a gift you can give your children that will last a lifetime. Keep exploring, keep playing and keep those young minds curious. The world of math is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And who knows, you might even rediscover your own love for math along the way. Until next time, stay curious.